Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your TikTok likes on your TikTok posts, right? So if you are looking for a way to get more likes on your posts, then you are in the right video. So I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step using the Zappyconnect platform. So let's get started with the video.
Hello guys, you're right here on my screen, and the first thing you need to do in order to buy TikTok likes is to go to your browser. Now for this video I'm gonna be using a Chrome browser, so you just need to go to any browser of your choice, and when you click on it you're going to go to this website zappyconnect.com. So now once you land on the Zappyconnect website, you're going to be taken to this home page. Now the next thing you are going to do is to log in into your account. Now if you do not have an account, you can just click on the sign up button over here and you create an account for yourself. Now I have a video on how you can sign up zappyconnect.com. You can go there and watch the video, right? So for this tutorial I'm just going to log in. So once I click on the login button, I'm going to be taken to the login page over here. So what I'm going to do now is to insert my username and my password, right? So once I've done that, I'll just click on the I am not a bot. Then I'm going to click on the sign in over here. So once I click on the sign in button, I'll be given access to my account. Now I'm logged into my account, and as you can see I'm on my dashboard over here. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to fund my account if I don't have funds in my account, right? So to fund your account, you just click on the add funds over here, and then you select the country of your choice that you want to fund from, right? So if you're from South Africa, you click on South Africa to fund your account. Now if you're from Ghana, click on Ghana. So I'm from Nigeria, so I'm just going to click on pay now, and I'll click on the amount I want to fund. Let's say it's 5, and I click on check. I'll be given the approximate account. I'll be given the amount that I need to pay into my wallet, right? So I'm going to click on the pay now, and then I click on pay now over here, and here I'm going to get the account number that I can make my payment to. So you can change your payment method to any payment method that you want. Now for the bank transfer, you just click on the pay over here, and you will see that an account will be generated for you. Now if I transfer the money into this account, my account is going to be funded automatically. So once I deposit 8,089 naira and 11 kobo, I'll get $5 in my account. But for this video I'm not going to fund my account because I have already created another video that shows you how you can fund your account step by step on my channel, so just go there and watch it. But to fund your account on Zappyconnect is very easy and very straightforward, so you will not have any issues when you're trying to fund your account. Now let's go straight to placing an order. So now to place an order for your TikTok likes, you just need to click on the orders over here, click on new order, and then you are going to have to select the category. So I'm going to select TikTok likes from here. So as you can see, here is TikTok likes. I click on TikTok likes. Now I need to select the service quality that I want. Now I'm just going to click on select service quality, and I'm going to use the best quality, right? Because here is the best quality, which is diamond quality. So the next thing you need to do is to insert the post link that you want to buy the likes for. Now you have created a post, right, and you want more likes on that post. You just need to put the link over here. So I'm going to go to my TikTok account. Now if you're using a mobile phone, you don't have any issues. All you just need to do is just find the link to the post, right? So let's use this post and buy TikTok likes for our TikTok post, right? So I'm going to copy this. I'll copy this link over here, and then I'm going to go down to Zappyconnect, and I'll put the link over here. And once I've done that, I'll now insert the amount of likes I want. Let's say I want 100 likes. So I want 100 likes, right? Now as you can see, it's just 9 cents for 100 likes. It's so cheap. Now if I want 1,000 likes, it's 90 cents, right? So I don't think it's very expensive at all. So it's so cheap, and you can buy this for up to 1,000, 10,000. You can see it's very cheap. 10,000 is $9, right? So I just need 100, so which is 9 cents. I just want to do this for tutorial purposes, and then what I'm going to do after I've selected the quantity that I want, I'm going to get the price of that quantity over here, and then I'm going to click on the checkbox, which is I have confirmed my order. Now what I'm going to do next is to click on the place order over here. So my orders have been placed successfully. Now to check your orders, you just need to click on this order, then you go down to all order. Now you scroll down, and as you can see, the order is processing, right? TikTok likes says processing over here. So now what I just need to do is to check back on my account in the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You will see your orders on your TikTok post, right? So guys, as you can see, I'm back here on my TikTok profile, right? And I ordered over 100 likes for a TikTok post, and if you check it over here, you can see that I have my 100 likes that I ordered for. So you can see that Zappyconnect delivers 100% and we do not delay. So if you want to order TikTok likes, don't forget to go to Zappyconnect and order yours. So don't forget to like this video and drop a comment on the comment section if you have any question to ask, and subscribe to this channel so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this, and I'll see you on my next one.